If you look right in the middle of the screen, you'll see a deer. And there's another one over there. This is like day 15 of the COVID quarantine. Those are my backup plan if we run out of food. But, and I went from like 75, 80 down back to 40 degrees. Back to this. Okay, I can't remember exactly where I left off, but it was about today's Saturday, and I think it was Tuesdays when I came out here and started jacking this, or Monday. Anyway, I did look online, and Messick's is a Kubota dealership, like in Pennsylvania or something, that they got a big online presence. So anyway, I looked up, and these pulleys, you can still get them. Messick's has 5 in stock right now. The problem is they're $107 a piece. And that's just the pulley. That's not the whole assembly. That's just a pulley. $107. I'm being lazy. Yeah, I'm not gonna spend $107 on a damn pulley. I mean, I could maybe see it if it was the whole gear assembly, but for a pulley, yeah, I don't think so. That's just a grease fitting, and I was too lazy to go find a wrench because I'm not going to reuse it. I'm about to put new grease fittings on it anyway. Where's my bucket? There we go. So, I'm still going to start pulling stuff apart because I haven't given up on this deck. There's a couple of things I can do. I looked on eBay, and you can buy a whole, it's like for a couple of different decks, but it's like the, I don't know what the bearing holder fixture, whatever that thing is that bolts to the bottom of the deck that has 2 bearings in it. Shaft comes through it. One side's a pulley, other side's a blade. So they have those things, so it's like it's everything. It's from the pulley, the whatever that bearing carrier thing is, and the blade. 3 of them for $90. I mean, that's 3 complete, I guess you call it like a hub maybe. 3 complete assemblies, pulley, blade, everything in between, for 3 of them for $90. Now you can't tell how big they are or anything, but the first thing I'm going to do, that one, the other one over there on the other side of this deck doesn't spin, but I'm not convinced that that's, we don't know why yet. This thing looks bad, but I'm almost positive I can get this beaten apart and get it working again. If not, whatever. So what I'm going to do right now is I want to pull this pulley off. I want to see this, whatever that housing thing is called. I don't know what it's called. Y'all probably know what it is. Don't matter. If everything else is good and it's just the pulley, I'm thinking I can probably go to Tractor Supply or look on McMaster Car or something like that. I don't know. But I can probably find something that'll work. You know what I mean? Because it's not splined. It's just a key. You can see right there. It's a keyway. So that's, I'm not giving up on this deck yet. Because this is I've gotten it apart this far, and I know it looks bad, but I really think this thing can be brought back. So what I did after that video, I went online to Amazon, and because I don't want to go to Harbor Freight because I don't want to get coronavirus, so I had to break down and buy something off Amazon. But this was only, I think, $15. So can see right there, it's almost pulling off, but and hopefully this don't catch on fire. Ooh, that stinks. Remember, that thing's still under a lot of tension from that puller. So trying to do anything to, let me just put some more hoopah on it. Boy, she's a tough bastard, she is. Well, I'm gonna convert this into a 2-jaw puller. Be back. Fighting it too much. Man, this thing. What's up, bro? It's crazy. My goodness. All right, hang on. Okay, I don't know if you've been noticing a pattern here. We've been slowly increasing the level of violence. So, in the spirit of that, let us continue the escalation. Stucco. Stucco. What?
You need to ventilate it. Or something.
Got the garage door open now. You can see. Cold and rainy. That's an upcoming video. It's my rock mower. But something to keep it from spinning. You're gonna come off, man. One way or the other. Alright, so it's under a lot of pressure. And it don't want to come off. I'm trying to think what I can do to cut right through here. I can't get a... see it move? Hell to the yeah, I think it did. Sorry about that, boss. Okay, but see, look, there's still... Yeah, that's whatever. There's still grease down in there, so... No way you live. Okay, I think that's enough for today.